Hello. Hello, Tatay.
Where's Tatay?
Here.
Tatay is not there.
Here, Tatay.
No. Sleeping.
Tata is so loud.
So what?
So far. Where is Tata is so far? Let you.
Huh? Walaan na. Where? Where? Pick up na? I don't see him, ah.
I do and fly. Oh my god.
Lychee yan siya. Balik kita, ah. You like it or no?
Why is so?
Lychee mo, ah.
I want to. I don't want to. I want. Oh, Ratchy. Ratchy.
Ah. Go down na. I will eat.
Oh.
Pagkain namin.
Oh,
Tapos ito
no, no.
lychee yan siya eh.
I want this to.
Kasi matamis. Nilagay ko sa freezer. Tapos ginso ko sa tubig. Wala siya.
But you don't matter. Give me eat. Give me eat.
Sticky na naman ito mamaya. Money, money. Money, money, money. No money. Yummy, ah. Sarap. Say, sarap. Sarap.
Maybe it's rap.
Sarap.
When is what this?
Na?
When is what this?
It's a vegetable.
Why is that a green?
It's a vegetable.
Yummy.
Hindi na ako nakakain. Hurry up, I go out.
Oh, go out.
No. Kumain ako kasi ayaw ko magutom sa labas. Tapos ngayon,
Where?
I go out na. I go to nanay and tatay.
No, no, no.
No.
This, no.
Na?
No, no, no.
Why?
This, I love Tata.
Hmm?
I love Tata.
You're naughty, ma.
I love nothing.
Go to, that's why Yaya go to nanay and tatay.
No. Tata is stupid.
Na?
Tata is stupid.
Who is sleeping?
Tata.
Tata is sleeping? How do you know? Kasi,
I want to see Tata. I want to see Tata. I want to see.
don't make noisy because everyone is sleeping. Mommy, Papa, Yoksan is sleeping. Only two of us is wake up. So cannot call nanay tatay because it's too noisy.
Because Tata is so naughty.
Wait! Ano daw yun?